Hello guys, welcome back to Chemistry 24 into 7 series. In this series, we have been exploring the solution for previous year competitive exam papers. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. So as you know that currently we are exploring the name reaction featuring organometallics. In continuation of our series, today we are going to see one of the problem from CSIR 2014 question. So this problem is based on Negishi cross-coupling reaction. Let's move in. This is the question from CSIR 2014. As per this question, this substrate react with iodine triphenyl phosphine in the presence of imidazole which produce product A. This product A react with this aryl bromide in the presence of zinc, palladium catalysis as well as copper catalysis which produce product B. Here there are four options are given. Let's solve together to find the correct option for this question. So let's moving in. So the first reaction condition is this substrate react with iodine triphenyl phosphine imidazole. So triphenyl phosphine react with iodine. So triphenyl phosphine phosphorus has lone pair of electron that readily attack the iodine atom. So resulting that kick off iodide ion to produce this intermediate. Now our alcohol readily attack this phosphorus atom since phosphorus has positive charge and followed by kick off iodide ion which produce this corresponding intermediate. Now imidazole quickly abstract the proton from this intermediate and followed by this electron when it move towards the oxygen atom which produce this particular intermediate. Now iodide ion attack this carbon and kick off triphenyl phosphine oxide which produce this corresponding alkyl iodide as a product. So this is our product A. So particularly this reaction is known as Appel reaction. According to Appel reaction, alcohol derivative can be converted into the air corresponding alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide. So let's moving to the our second step. So in our second step, product A react with this alkyl bromide in the presence of zinc and palladium catalysis as well as copper catalysis. Let's look this reaction condition closely. They given zinc and palladium catalysis. So these two reagent is used for Negishi cross-coupling reaction. So the main confusion lies with copper iodide. So let's see the role of copper iodide in this reaction. So this reaction condition is a Negishi cross-coupling reaction condition. We have already discussed a Negishi cross-coupling reaction in our channel. If anyone missed that video, you can find the link in the description box below. So as per Negishi cross-coupling reaction, we need active palladium zero catalysis. So therefore, the first step of the reaction would be the generation of active palladium zero catalysis. So here they given palladium 2 salt which react with zinc which produce palladium zero species along with zinc chloride. Here TPPF means bidentate phosphine ligand. So now our substrate react with palladium zero which readily undergo oxidative addition reaction. So here you can see that in the substrate has one carbon chlorine bond as well as one carbon bromine bond. We know that carbon bromine bond is more reactive when compared to the carbon chlorine bond. So therefore oxidative addition takes place only in this position. So resulting that generation of this intermediate. At the same time alkyl iodide. So this is our product A which react with zinc. Here zinc insertion reaction takes place to produce this alkyl zinc reagent which then undergo transmetallation with copper iodide which produce this particular intermediate. Now what happened? This palladium complex as well as this copper species undergo transmetallation reaction to produce this intermediate. So this intermediate in next step undergo reductive elimination to kick off palladium zero species along with generation of our final product. So this is our product B. So here you should note it down. In this reaction, copper iodide plays a crucial role. Copper iodide here helps to transmetallate alkyl zinc intermediate and stabilize the alkyl group before palladium undergo oxidative addition reaction. So here copper iodide reacts with alkyl zinc reagent to form a mixed organocopper species, including this copper species along with alkyl copper zinc iodide species. So the organocopper species now transfer the alkyl group more smoothly to palladium to intermediate after the aryl bromide undergo oxidative addition reaction. So the copper iodide additive is here really crucial for alkyl aryl Negishi cross-coupling reaction since direct palladium transmetallation with this alkyl zinc reagent most of the time more sluggish and copper iodide accelerate it and minimize the beta hydride elimination from the alkyl palladium intermediate. So therefore copper iodide here plays a crucial role in this reaction. So let's moving to the our question. So as per our discussion, among the four answer, the correct option for this question is option 1. That's it for today's problem. I hope this video has helped you to understand this reaction, especially role of copper iodide in the Negishi cross-coupling reaction. If you enjoyed this session, just give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe ChemOrgChem for much more content like this. And finally, thanks for watching. Bye bye.